Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with me, and I wanted to do another project for you. This is a globe that I have sitting on my table in a little arrangement, and I wanted to put some snowflakes on there. So I went ahead and tried it, and it works. I'm using my Chalk Couture, and this is in white. So you can see that's on there. It's dry. It's not going anywhere unless I wet it. If I wet it, it'll wash off. So these snowflakes come in, let's see, there's 4, 7, and there's 3 that are smaller, the one that I used here, and these 2, and then there's 4 that are larger. So they come in, this is one whole pack. So we're going to turn it around just a little bit. We're going to put the other one right here. Now make sure that your globe is clean. And I'm just going to lay this towel under there. Keep it from rolling. And probably going to put it right there. Okay, just took it off, and I'm going to put it on my shirt a couple of times to just get a little bit of that stickiness off the back, because these are very, very sticky. I'm going to lay it down on the fattest part of this, and then I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm just going to work my way out. Since this is a rounded surface, it's not going to go down flat, but if you just kind of work your way out through these, then you can get those wrinkles out, or the bubbles, and it should go down really smooth. So if you have a little wrinkle, just kind of pull it up and work it through there. Don't worry about the wrinkles out here on this. That's fine, as long as you don't have wrinkles on this part right here. There we go. Now I've already mixed up my white. So we're just going to use our spatula here and put it on it. See, you don't need very much. Probably put way too much on there, but I'd rather put too much is not enough and have to go back. So that will work fine with me. All right, let's pull that up. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Look at that. Now I'm going to go on around to this other side, and I'm going to lay the same stencil down because I like it a little bit better than I do that one. And I'm going to lay the same one down. I may lay it a different way and see if I can do a second one with the same stencil. I think I can. You have to work quick, and you can't move it a lot because it has that chalk on the back side of it. But I think we'll be able to do this. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that cute? I love it. So there is our snowflakes on our vase. And that is just how easy it is to do. So I'm going to lay the stencil upside down in my water over here. Wash it off. And that is all there is to it to do these projects. So I'm going to put this back on my table, put a lantern in it, and let those snowflakes show through. I think that's going to be so, so pretty. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. We will talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.